inside Bukwango from Boya, they don't cash in. According to Toriwe enter for we hear this young boy, the Iso can not stick for people them. Say he be one of that boy them. He take money for population. Number 3 time we want turn back, now so to population kashi. As so the talk just now, that young boy, he then for gendarme people their hand inside Boya. Now for Bukwango side that one he pass. Now so to Governor Samuel Jodono Ibadibois, he don't go talk Ashia for family people then where they get palava way fire he burn their house for Nouvelle Route Besenge. Now so to he go to for hospital for go talk say Ashia. Sabi say 4 people they be there for Lakentini, but for Sika say case it then a very serious one. They don't carry 3 take and go for general hospital. Now so too we go take style, we talk this palava for both, forget we new Kunkuma way it happen for inside we country. This afternoon we go take una go for Kumba, Bamendam, Boya side too for talk as well the vote it happen. Then we turn back to for see as well the big people them where they be there for inside this palava for enter from Kunkuma. Then too they be do their own voting. All the one then so we go finish them with palava for Toriwe newspaper then say where they dey for outside today, then nakam. Big part talk for this afternoon, if you tell we say waiting. Say no matter how way your finger is big, it must to so enter inside your nose. I say no matter how way your finger is big, it must to so enter inside your nose. Tata Divine for your windy. Now it's send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una. Number 2 time for inside this very number 1 day for the week. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now for land for legendary hospitality for Boya. We enter for Bukwango. People that way the Sabi Health Center. Now for they way the one a pass. Young boy way una see am she don so for ground. He don't detox say he be one of those boy them way. They become worry place for inside town. Now so they come, it cannot stick. People they give them money. Then when they give money, you know they give money for hand. You dey throw the money for ground, he go mash the money. After he take the money for hand. Number 1 time he come, he go, they no cash am. Number 2 time he come, he go, they no cash am. Number 3 time today, he don't go back for Boyade, Bukwango village, as well as Sabi. After we pass in a Tombela Moki on side for Likoko Membia, you walk a small, you go for Bukwango. Now for the young boy, he go for KZ morning time. Now so to one time. Pop do the one. Why you know they do the one? The boy told say no, he no be this, so he be the fear, waiting, no happen, no done. Now so to population talk say okay, if you no want talk your true, now so to they call gendarme people then. Gendarme people they just come for Bukwango, can carry the young boy, carry and go then one time for their own place. They investigate on top the young boy hate. Whether true, he be one of that boy them, or he no be that boy them. For Sika say, he don't knock people them stick inside Bukwango. When you cancel, he say give money. You throw money for ground. He go mash the money like say be some medicine man. After now he pick the money, he take and go. 1, 2 day, they no catch him. Number 3 day, today, as we go for day, now so to the picky. So, Bukwango people, as I say small time, wanna go rest small. Thank you plenty Ogambela for that side. So way you quick, you see to it happen, you send with that image. Now so, make we turn back for Bukwango. As a fight, it be happen. After way, some people that thought say no, make the naki. Other people that thought say no, make the no naki. Now they will confusion come. 2 people that start fight. Confusion. Make we turn back for day.
you make a result.
Say they'll shoot me or die.
Where hello?
Say they'll shoot you or die.
Say they'll shoot me or die.
Say who will
Yes, Feng Goudron de Bokwango.
We shoot them.
Feng Goudron de Bokwango.
Yes.
They give money for that much really place.
Now the young boy that's way he did so he don't knock people them stick for Bokwango village. He say be that boy them. They don't picky. He there for Shandan too they do their own work with him. We turn back for talk fire for inside Nouvelle Route Besenge. Sabi say the palava fire will not go finish for talker. We go turn back tomorrow talk the other side for fire. Now Besenge that Nouvelle Route after fire pass so day Thursday enter for Friday morning time. People they also gather their cargo them. Inside the boxing so where you see them for corner. Now for them what we hear say now the small box where they come out for petrol company, they come out with the water with the small fuel for inside. They can hiba inside the water hole. When the water don't enter for inside the water hole, now so to the water sep he get for worker for inside the place. He come out go for his own place. Just tell me if fire the pass then true. Fuel, he dey for inside that water where they come out for that small boxing. He can't enter for you. Tell me where to go happen with the house they dey for corner. No, me you say that way happen. Now the thing that we will try for see like say it happen for the thing. Even as so we never so get confirmation on top this palava for fire way a cash for Nouvelle Route Besenge country people them. Sabi say plenty houses, more than 20 houses be born, and more than 20 houses born, 2 people they confirm he don't die. Then 4 other people them their own skin e be dey some kind. It means say fire be burn them and fire be burn them for some kind of way. One way your own case no be over there that kind of serious. E dey for Lakentini. I swear they see the other 3 their own case na some kind of serious case. One time they carry them take and go for general hospital. Now for Sikadi one the new Kunkuma. So Prime Minister take it time. After he finish vote, he put his own ink. He put them for ground. Pani John says, he too be dead. He go do his own vote. But Pani John diverse plenty. For Sika say some kind of magu thing the way it happen for that side. He talk say he says he no like her. It is also blame na Nkunkuma. Say na he don't make a way place your day some kind. Sabi say all the one they so it be they happen for Bamenda way some of the place them. Whether they vote or they no vote, me and no fit talk. But na say the vote it be happen for year, his own kind style way it get for happen. So vote it pass fine for that side for Bamenda. For place where they call them say Kumba. Empty roads where we meet up and for them a different thing. Most of the road empty. One man, I say one person, we no see her. The only time we see one person, now some Christmas. You understand? Sabi say Christmas no sabi it where they happen. It be the tontoni for town. Whether it will be one go photo. But now for government bilingual high school for station. Now for them where we go, Oga SDO, Ntundong Shambale, we ticket to them for back and near them. They follow ye, enter for which side, place where they vote for government bilingual high school. Now for station for Kumba. Now so to Oga SDO, Ntundong Shambale, he take a time, a worker looked in them. After we finish vote, he come up for our side. He talk with the people them. How the thing they pass. No, it team work a fine, all thing they go fine. After Oga SDO vote, now so too they carry come up. But Sabi say security be there. For the one people there they become for can vote. Security be there. They carry SDO. Quiet. Take you go back for your office. So he own day he end so. You understand? He own day be end so. But the road it be quiet. One person. Man no be see him for Kumba side. All people they be she done there for us. All people them inside house. For Boya, make we enter for Boya to talk to you for Boya so it start. For morning time for Boya, road for Boya na empty this. A just dey like say no person no dey for Boya. See how way a fasa mountain. See how way mountain e dey open. Where mountain for Boya be shine for Sunday so tell people they sabi say no today go be better day. But only place where e quiet. Na only near the motor there. They be the tonton for town and motor the way they be get authorized for worker for town. But as well we tonton for inside Boya town, we no meet up, no person. Enter now so for place where votes again for pass. People the way they make vote, they be done this she done. All paper them, envelope them. People the way they get for vote, all them. They don't prepare them, they on top table. You see no? Now all the paper then that. Sabi say even pa keremu na want to be there. Mami why the cover your face no? Mami cover your face or waiting. You know be the do work. So we tonton see all the book them for on top table. Mami 11 will come back for that mommy. I know sabi why the lucky face. So ele come thing the obi bidi. You know about the boy to a come with the chick. You understand? It too a come for legislations, a come for come votes, duty way other people them they get for do. But sabi say na for the same place where they bring on near them. Say make them do they can't vote. Sabi say they be don't declare say normal. Near they be used to go vote now for inside their own workplace. They say lie to lie. The time near they get for come for outside to vote. So all man way vote. If that ink no dey for your hand, sabi say you know dey. The white man dem, you see no? Now them be the look as well they vote in the past. If pacha day or anything day, but as well I talk, the place it be start for auto after we MRC people them or CRM people then they talk say thing they be dey some kind of way. So now for who side to search Espoir Matomba and Franklin for the vote, all them two they vote now for the same place for Bonaberi. Yes. Now for inside here where they vote. But before the one vote, other normal people then like me and you, all man, if you don't enter too for the vote, he voted. You understand? But as we search Espoir Matomba enter, oh, as we enter, now so all the camp put the record, they say, oh, Augusta, come good. Augusta, come good. Now they say they take time, pick them. So they even elect him. I don't, una see him, now my envelope this. I don't vote, oh. I don't vote. Una see him fine. I don't vote. Make una no talk say I never vote. Na in this. See as what chuka he do the other thing them. But search Espoir Matomba begs plenty. Say they talk say they so he don't take choco for Maurice Kamto. He say in a Kamto they no ever talk palava money. So people the way they talk palava for money. Say na people the way they plan for make and say make Ikombi and Maurice Kamto Iwowo. But sabi say some people they say they can't check their name them. They no see them. After we search Espoir Matomba a fini vote, I say after we a fini vote one time, a come out. As we the come out, it go. Now so to motorway carry and D4. Franklin are found with Prophet Frank. It will enter. It will take a time. He show people them. He vote. He took them for inside that box. Whether he vote now for himself or he vote now for some other person, I know sabi. D4 Franklin. If the vex say. Nkunkuma, it never happened this, it never look at the palaver for Northwest and Southwest plenty, according to which way he talk. Cabral Libi, he says he be there for outside for vote. I don't talk say today na palaver for vote. He be there na for that side way, they call him say a fuller. Cabral, he take the time he vote. But problem with the Cabral na say, Eleka, he no do work way be get for do. If people then for outside they no vote. Cabral too he vex. Say he dey so for Boya. Mayor is comot his own person way she done for his own place for that side for Boya. So now the two vex that way Cabral be he vex for that side so for Boya. So for that one, Cabral talk say Eleka me make some big mistake wey he no get for do am. He make am people dem for outside country they no be fit for vote for he, and even for Boya side news wey enter for he and I say he party man. The driver, when a mayor driver, say he no like that thing at all. Now the only vex that way Cabral be he talk for that side inside Palava for vote. So we finish with the people them. We go last talk with Palava. This other papa, Adamun Damjoya. He can for inside white moto. Repeat since we campaign be start so they finish we no hear he. We no see. And I saw two people they don't the ask and say outside repeat don't go eh. Repe boss like hey na toka. You understand? Repe boss like toka. As well repe boss na so population. E just dey like say na Jesus don come. Na for Fumba no. Repe comot with the white agbada, white moto, white agbada, white shoes. Repe be there na to mash. Na so all people dey try. Oh, repe come good. Repe come good. Repe come good. Na so he enter for inside place so they vote. Even if you're too white. So he get a white all thing for his skin. You understand? So they pay come na too much. After he finish vote, he talks on Asiam. I don't vote. No ask me whether he says vote na himself or he vote na different person. But he do the work where we get for do. He come vote, he voting. Sabi say people they be done the top plenty say they so the repe, he don't surely. But repe talk say he go turn up so he own time when he reach, he come out. He do all to any other person go do. So, Pandam Joya says, he be vote. I say he too be vote. I say he come up for turn back, now so population to the following. So, I say they come and I say they go. Population be there for a back. Population be there for a back. another person wey dey be talk say e don menge na in this Panyat he too vote for Paris na for France he vote sabi say dey pay his skin no tana fine people dey be already kill since for social media but dey pay show people dem say dey kampe e dey waka e too full dey so dey fine so he vote for that side for France. Normal we sabi say e be get for, you understand, vote for Cameroon but as we sick be make rape voting na for France so people dey see am for the first time since wey social media be talk say e don die na in that e too e vote na head boy for senior people dem e too e vote so e show people dem say e dey fine no be na e spirit na rape accept that e too vote, you understand, rape too e vote. From Konsamba side we turn from Konsamba and Melon, you understand how the vote be happen for Melon, how e happen for Konsamba. Na Konsamba that council hall na for they wey vote e pass. Then for Melon na for delegation for agriculture and rural development na for they wey arrangement to e pass. Oga mayor for that side too e be go there with the whole family they go vote. As well other people then too for inside Konsamba they vote for school and they vote too for their council hall. So inside that place according to tori wey enter for we ear all thing waka fine. No mistake no be there. The vote is start for time wey be get for start and na so two people then come small mayor do all they be dey for talk people dem wey they come check their name they no be look am they no be see their name and they no get card they no be fit for vote. The one wey you see your name you get and na the different color than that way they be there. So vote from Konsamba be happen and even for side for Melon even Oga mayor all they be there outside na two woman dem they go say make they go see as way thing dey happen GOSSF e be common for outside for see as way they play. So the voting for that side for Konsamba e waka kampe no nothing e no happen for that side. Last we go for chapter for voting for Penja and Lum. For that side too problem be there. You get people the way they come they no see their name but they get card for vote. You get people the way they come they get card for vote they no see their name. So now some of the problem then that way people they get them for Lum and Penja way will be turn so for inside it. As soon as na poor Eric get that no, it means na Penja that. Then for Lum side too, people they get the same problem. But Shabi say on top all the problem them, no nothing no be pass. It means waiting, no other wahala no be there. People they can't do the work where they begin for doing and for vote. Oga di osesep for that side for Lum, a vote quiet, a commodity, you hear that? He vote to all the other people. When people they for outside, they look their name for list. So now some of the small things than that where it pass for Penja and for Lum as we vote it be happen. We don't finish palava for vote. As we talk, we'll turn back tomorrow. Maybe we no go the talk chapter again for vote for get new kunkuma. But as well the talk, you were there for outside we don't the hear say demand the win. Hear them, keep up. Wait so after 2 weeks. Constitutional Council get the own talk for talk on top the vote. So ambassador no get right for talk say na demand or na demand. Now Constitutional Council get right. So if you don't hear, I hear say, no go make pomporompo. Wait so 2 weeks. When Constitutional Council to go talk, that time you go talk say okay, it means say nothing this way a pass. I don't talk my own pass on top. Make we see wait when newspaper get for talk today country people. Time post wey dey for outside e dey tell we say the gun wey e hala for Norway and Southwest for dey for votes na different level. Yes, na so the guidance post e talk for we. So for inside the guidance post, Honorable Njingum Musa e talk say any man wey e put fire for a house, e don sorry that person and e dey pray say make Papa God to e sorry that person. Na so too dey tell we people the way they be don long their mop say Fayongo Francis. He don't go 6 feet. Una see, you know, now that he be vote for that side so for Bui and na for tell we say waiting a foot is it turn up campaign for vote. Now so today the talk for we say this big organization there for outside they don't so they put power they put fire. They say waiting make they try for see as so they go solve this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Sabi say all day it go na only for before it is also worse, it is also where they go. So international organization then they don't talk again. Say make they try for see as way they go fix this palava for Northwest and Southwest. Now so too we enter for the Star newspaper where they too for outside. Inside the Star newspaper where they too for outside today call the people them waiting the Star newspaper talker. They say waiting. Last vote for Genyu Nkunkuma, it don't come go. I say vote for Genyu Nkunkuma, it don't come go. How many people they be register their name for vote for Nigeria? 1,000 people according to where the Star a talker. So for inside the same Star newspaper, you go read to a consign company where it give you electricity. The Star newspaper they tell you say waiting. Say that company e just do any kind of thing wey they want do. They go for before come for back, go for before come for back. Population they over complain say light e dey cut all time. Then chapter 2 for Ndamba for we own Ndamba for 2019. The Star newspaper they tell we say last talk whether Cameroon it go happen or it no go happen we go hear now for number 11 moon for 2018. Another tourist says will look for inside this afternoon country people them they call am now waiting now they accuse yes he the accuse who inside that newspaper you go lead to wait where they talk say waiting make you no left teacher them make they teach it in for our pikin them. Sabi say that book where they be come out and way some kind of thing be there inside. Now anyway this accuse say be come out a talker. Then waiting the make and wait people them for enam they know the ever pass. According to wait where accuse he talk and this time and they try for tell we say some of the paper the way people they write for enam they need the ever mark am they only go back and choose now so other people them inside the same newspaper they ask na question now which kind of book system we want them for our pikin them tomorrow you go read that one too for downside order to read the day inside the accused way you fit for read and way a day for outside. So for the people them now the small one them that way we look for inside this afternoon. Anyhow one be I don't talk say chapter 2 for fire for Nouvelle Route Besenge. We go turn back for day tomorrow. That fire thing it never finish. Thank you plenty, Innocent Abega. Thank you plenty to Zefren Gondi. Thank you plenty, Malice. Nadine Wefo. Thank you. If you don't on top table, chop fine. Ambassador go turn back when in at 8 o'clock for some time. Wanna hold on tight for outside.